Greetings from Snake Mountain Boat Works on August 18, 2025. Today's one of those special days. FOLLY, our 1953 17-foot Century Resorter, is ready to go home. Today's her debut. We're sending her home with her owner and allowing him the privilege and the joy of completing her assembly, engine, etc., upholstery, hardware, and all of that. But today we get to say goodbye. This is what she looked like last fall when she appeared. As you can see, there was not much there. Well, let's take a look at how much there is there right now.
Here we are just about wrapping up our 53 Resorter. She's got all of her nice varnish in. All the stripes have all been redone. The last few things I've had to do was put in the new lifting, or not the new lifting rings, but since the deck had to be rebuilt, we had to re-drill all the holes. So that way when our customer comes in, he'll be able to put all of his hardware in where it needs to be, and he'll be able to get all the interior finished on his own. But it really came along great. I really like the new Smith's epoxy that we use for filling in any kind of divots or voids. It really did a great job. Blends right in. And I think it's going to be a pretty sweet boat once our customer gets all the interior done, and we're about ready to strap it down onto the trailer that was built for it.
And by now we've got, what, 25, 26 coats of varnish?
28 coats are on this. And I'm telling you what, it certainly did come out nice and flat and great quality on the finish.
Well, we can't wait for her to be loaded on her trailer. The owner is taking over the rest of the challenge or joy and excitement. Joe has installed the drive line, the steering line, the engine mounts inside, but the rest will all be the pleasure of her owner. So FOLLY came in as a disaster, and she's going home show ready. So that is our final update on our 1953 17-foot Century Resorter FOLLY. Thank you so much. Bye-bye for now from Snake Mountain Boat Works. So we have completely rebuilt her, starting from the keel up. And while our goal is preservation, I guess we're going to say we preserved the memories, preserved a lot of the skeleton, but the rest of the wood on this Century Resorter when she came in was just rotted away. But as you can see, she's not rotted away now. She's looking pretty sharp. And my guess is when FOLLY hits the water and her engine roars, not only will her owner smile, but everybody within earshot is going to be turning ahead and smiling and saying, "Oh my God, what a beautiful, beautiful boat." Thank you so much. Bye-bye for now from Snake Mountain Boat Works.